Good day, guys. Yeah, my duty today is 2 o'clock until 10:30. Still long hours. I'm fixing my mobile phone. I put this masking tape here. Good afternoon, guys. We are going to work now. Yeah, good day today. Yeah, in case you don't know, I am using an electric bike. That is why going to work, coming back home, and daily transportation is easy because this is electric bike. With this electric bike, I don't need to worry about the petrol, traffic. Yeah, I don't need to wait for the bus, things like that. The good thing with electric bike is that it is like an ordinary bike. You still need to pedal, but less efforts. Like, relax. It feels like you are just riding an ordinary car. Yeah, it's less effort that you may need to make. Especially here in this place, that there are some hilly area. Climbing up is very difficult by using just an ordinary bike. When I arrived here in Port Stephen, I bought an ordinary bike, and every day, like for maybe 2 months, I was using an ordinary bike, and it is very difficult to get uphill. Yeah, even in a plain road, you still need to put efforts, and that will make you really tired when you get to work or when you get home. I remember that when I get home every night, I'm sweaty too much. And if you compare the electric bike to motorcycles, yeah, of course, if motorcycle, you need to have a driving license, the same like the car. And motorcycle cannot access anywhere, cannot access a place like this. Yeah. Motorcycle is only allowed in the car way, but electric bike like this, an ordinary bike can access, electric bike can too. Yeah. It is now 1:29. I still have 30 minutes to start my duty. Yeah, we'll just stay here a little bit. We'll just have a look in this beautiful beach. Awesome. And I have here this, and they have water. This one is like Skyflakes. The taste very similar, the taste with the Skyflakes. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both of you is breaking all the rules. Torn between two lovers. Yeah, it is now almost 11 o'clock. I did my laundry yesterday, and before going to work, I picked that up and put there. Yeah, because I am supposed to be day off today, but they changed the schedule because one of the guy is going back to Sri Lanka. Yeah, he's actually just came from vacation and then worked for around 3 days, and then going back to Sri Lanka for emergency. Okay, I'm preparing my lunch. I am now reheating this piece of rice. I always fail when I'm cooking this kind of egg. We are now on the way going to work. Yeah, after my lunch at around 11 o'clock, I go to bed and set my alarm to 1 o'clock. Yeah, so I sleep again. I wake up and a call. Yeah, my chef called me and asking me to come a little bit early because One of the guys is sick. He is sick yesterday and today also. Yeah, so I am now coming early. Oh, the time now is 1 o'clock. As you can hear, I don't know if you can hear, but my mobile phone is alarming. Yeah, because I set my alarm at 1 o'clock. Yeah, chef asked me to come by 1:30. I still have, I can actually reach the workplace yeah, now, but I want to just take it easy because I want to eat a little bit, relax a little bit, no pressure. I have here my charger for my bike. Yeah, because it's running out of battery. So tonight when I get home, I'll be fully charged. I just got to Australia. Thanks for all the tips. I am overwhelmed by this country's beauty. Awesome. Thank you very much. Yeah, I am actually uploading a video. The time now is 1 minute before 11 o'clock. I am supposed to be day off today, but again, yeah, one of my colleagues is still sick, and the other guys, you know, there are some issues in, you know, in their life. Yeah, so yeah, I'll be working again today, and I will be day off tomorrow. I hope so. I am sure I will be day off tomorrow because the schedule is properly fixed now by the chef. Yeah, I am cooking this. Yeah, this is the chicken that I defrosted yesterday. Basically just garlic, onion, and chicken, and I have some frozen mixed vegetables. Today is like this. Yeah, there are clouds and there is a lady in the car. He's waving her hand. I don't know if I know her. Maybe he knows me. She knows me. This is how it looks. It's beautiful. It looks like it is going to rain. She can see the sky. Yeah, I forgot to bring my rain jacket and my rain trouser. I hope that there will be no rain tonight. If there is rain tonight, I might take taxi or I'll go with the rain. I'll be wet. Yeah, we are now here. Yeah, as you can see, today is cloudy like that. And look at this. Whoa. These insects are trapped in the spider web. There are many, huh? There is a fly, a bee, and some small insects. I have a coffee in my backpack. Yeah, here. And I also have this vapor. This one. Oh, what's that? Whoa, whoa. Get out of my body, mate. Seems like it is going to rain. I can hear the thunder.